Hello?
Hi, Nan. It's Alex. How are you doing?
Oh, my dear. Lovely to hear from you. I'm fine, thank goodness. And you, how are you?
I'm fine too, Nan. What's the weather like over there?
It's a nice day. Sunny, but not too warm. Perfect for pottering about in the garden. And how about your way?
It's sunny here too. A bit milder, maybe. Have you had your lunch yet, Nan?
Yes, a little while ago. I had some soup I made. And you?
I grabbed a falafel wrap from a street vendor with some mates. It was really good.
Oh, those street food places. You be careful, my dear. Sometimes they're not the cleanest.
Yes, Nan. I'm always careful. Are you going to watch your telly program this afternoon?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it for the world. It's about to start. Is everything all right at school/work?
Everything's fine, Nan. I just wanted to say hello and see how you were doing.
That's lovely, my love. It makes me very happy to hear your voice. When are you coming to visit me?
I'm hoping to come soon, Nan. I'll let you know when I have a free day.
I'll be waiting for you with much joy. Take good care of yourself, my dear.
You take good care of yourself too, Nan. Love you lots.
Love you lots too, my sweet. See you soon.
See you soon, Nan.